The fire took everything, my home, my photos, my sense of security, all in one roaring inferno that lit up the night sky. As I stood there, watching the life I knew disintegrate into ash, I felt a despair so deep it threatened to swallow me whole. But as dawn broke, so did my resolve. With nothing but the clothes on my back, I started over. It was during these small steps, finding a job, a home, rebuilding from scratch, that I discovered resilience was not about what I held in my hands but what I carried in my heart. Each day was a battle, but I learned that true strength comes from the ashes of our greatest trials. Today, I stand proud in front of a new home, not just a house, but a testament to the power of hope and perseverance.